Hello there! What's up? What's up? So I know you're preparing for your launching tonight. Now, it's a series, right? With Shaina?
With Shaina, Kuya Gerald, and of course Francine po.
Talaga? Oh, wow! Congratulations! Kaya we couldn't do anything na may downtime because you have that series launch tonight. That's why what we did was the combination of skin tightening and then the skin quality. And congratulations also with your movie na trending. Trending. Yun yung, that's where you won as Best Actor. You actually were together, Lisa, sa Manila International Film Festival in LA. Right, in March, magkasama kami. He was awarded Best Actor, so we were cheering for you. Ang galing. And then, nag-speech ka pa doon, diba?
Tagalog nga.
Tagalog, yes. Tagalog na Tagalog.
Susunod English na daw.
Why not? Maganda nga Tagalog eh. Mas ramdam, diba? I heard ang gusto daw contour. Tama ba ako? Yung nagsabi sa akin. Yes, ano gusto tightening?
Yung gusto ko lang po yun, parang meron lumalabas po yun.
Yes, para mas mag-contour. Actually, one of the treatments that we can do is the RF skin tightening. It's one of our most popular treatment now because I did it last Tuesday, 1 week ago, ginawa ko siya. It's really good for tightening. And if you don't want any downtime, especially I know you're very busy, you're always on the go. So it's something that's good, at least a once-a-year treatment that you can do. Kasi Seth is also so busy, diba? Hindi ka naman regularly nakakapunta every month. Na-timing mo lang yung pag-visit. So, at least, if you do a treatment that's good for once a year, at least, kahit na medyo ma-busy ka, at least meron ka bang baon na treatment. And also, if you just want a little bit more contour here, maybe we can just do a little bit of our high-intensity focus ultrasound. And then we can just do this tightening here para mas maganda sa camera. Tsaka even here, all of us want that nice, especially for guys, no?
Gusto ko kasi doon.
Oh, anong gusto mo?
Yung mga features ni Leonardo.
Ay, gano'n? Actually, kamukha mo nga si Leonardo. Channeling Leonardo DiCaprio with the hair. Oo nga, no? Yes, diba? Actually, yeah, that nice jawline. And yes, ma-achieve natin yan. Especially with this treatment.
Oh, kanina skin exam.
Oo.
Okay daw.
Skin analysis.
Skin analysis, yeah.
Oh, ang ganda-ganda. Actually guys, ang ganda-ganda ng skin, Lisa. Look at that. Napakakinis, no?
Sabi sa inyo.
Oh, diba? Sabi si Pogi eh.
Kayo lang kasi.
For skin glow, what we love to recommend to our patients would be, one is the Shine Bright treatment. Number 2, we can also do the Renew treatment for rejuvenation. And then, if you want yung texture pores, we can do the Skin Perfect. So, marami tayong pwedeng gawin. Yeah, basta you have to meet guys. So, you better watch out, guys. So, we're gonna see more of Seth in IV. And congratulations. Yeah, and see you soon.
Welcome to me here at Ivy.
Yay!
Ay, Lobo.
Ayan.
Hello.
Ayan.
Number 1.
I know. Diba?
Yeah.
Best actor.
Best actor.
Look at his skin. It's so nice.
Super. It's luminous.
But actually, next time, we'll do the Panda Eye.
Panda Eye.
Panda Eye treatment. On your next visit. Yeah.
Injection, Doc?
Yeah.
When you're ready. When you're ready. When you're ready. When you're